one.
Ready. Ready to fight?
I can barely hear myself think in this arena tonight. A fight that has been in our dreams now becomes reality. Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Oh, big knee! He's in trouble. He's getting it up.
Oh! Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the gentleman. He's giving him so many different things right now.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. All right, he's trying to control posture here. Now trying to hip escape.
He's just trying to move out of this position off the bottom. Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one? Again, in the clinch.
Connects with a right hand. Pretty good punch that one.
Nice right punch by this young man. Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh, he stunned him with that knee to the head.
Look at how fast. The only person I can do this to is maybe John. John, there's a weight difference. I don't know if you know jiu-jitsu much. This is out of your class. If I'm going to do this to anybody, it's Eddie.
He's got him hurt here. Back to the feet now. All right, he engages in a single collar tie here. Oh, easy knee to the head. Wow!
That was crazy. Big knee.
Big knee.
Oh, big elbow.
Big knee to the body. Hip tosses him down. Now we'll see if he can advance position.
I mean, right into side control.
All right, so inside the open guard of his opponent. You got to be careful playing around for too long here on the ground with this guy. Oh, reversal here, DC.
What a way to switch the position. Fantastic movement by the bottom fighter. Great punch.
Oh, he lands a huge knee to the body. That's a crippling shot there.
Oh, he tasted that knockout life. He tasted the knockout life. He got him. What a performance.
Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. Oh, we'll take a look back at the highlights. You know we're going to find that nasty head kick somewhere in this highlight rip. Just an incredible result for him here tonight.
A very nice head kick to finish the fight, but don't ignore all the work he did with his hands and give credit to the opponent. The opponent was in there every step of the way, and in order to get a fight of the night like you got tonight, both guys have to be willing to participate.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean's called to stop this contest at 3 minutes, 52 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Brüs, the Dragon.